Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same.
Hey, I'm William from CyberTruckco, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your inner Molle panels. Now to get started, you're going to need some sharp object or a hand driver and your 5/32 or 4mm driver. And you're going to receive 4 of each of these things here. So basically you got a 7/16 bolts and a metal washer and a plastic washer. They stack up like that. And let me show you how to put this together. All right, so step one, what you're going to do is take a little piece of packing material or anything that you have around, and you're going to roll some of this into the channel like so. And that's to prevent the T-nut from falling down. So basically then you roll the T-nut into place like that, like that. Set up all of them. So those T-nuts are going to line up in all 4 places like that to match these. And then you're going to take your bolt, like we said, and stack up the metal and the plastic washer. And get this into place here.
Highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game.
So I started that, and then you can go ahead and pull this foam out of there.
Highs and lows, highs and lows.
And it really wouldn't matter if you leave that in there, but you pull it out and get everything lined up and get all of them in. So it's very simple, straightforward. All 4 of them are the same process. So I've got all 4 bolts in there now. I've got all 4 of them. Now I'm going to start tightening them. Everything's still loose. Center this thing up and tighten these up.
It's all the same.
That's that. Okay. So here's a quick install tip on how to put these guys on. So each one will come with the pop clips that it needs, and those will go into these holes. Basically, put those like that, and the pop clip assembles with this little rivet in it, just like that, and that's a little backer. So basically what you do is put your washer back here, right, and your pop clip through the front, and you lock it in like that. Same thing here. Just like that. That secures the tray on there. So these inserts come in a cup holder or 3 size baskets, the small, the medium, and the large. Thank you for watching the video, and this is some examples of how you can use your accessories in your Molle panels. See ya.